Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm from Wilmington, Delaware. Today I'll be installing a hitch on a Subaru Forester. Let's get started.
You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation.
First step I need to do is lower the exhaust. I'm going to use my stability strap to angle it below the exhaust. I'll remove the rubber mallets on each side of this exhaust here. Use my soapy water spray. Then there will be one more to lower, which would be here in the center. Next step, I'll need to remove the heat shield using a 10mm. In the socket. I had to remove 4 more. Set this aside for reinstallment later. Right here, just to gain access for the hitch to go into place. Set this aside. All right, next step, I need to expose these 3 holes here to put the bolts inside. I'm gonna take a flathead screwdriver to release the holes. Just pop them right on out. Alright, now that these holes are clear and free, I'll access my bolts. Now that my holes are exposed, I need to get this bolt and this carriage spacer into the frame of the vehicle. By doing that, I use this hardware provided, which is a fish wire, and I'm going to access this through this hole here. Remove this tab, pop that out, then I'll proceed. Once the wire is free, I'll put my spacer on there, push it through. Then next, I'll twist the bolt onto the wire. Once that's done, I'll insert the bolt and pull through. And I repeat the same steps through this hole and this excess hole as well on the passenger side. Alright. Next step, we'll raise the hitch in position. But before I do that, I have to remove these 2 push tabs here using a flathead screwdriver. Loosen it up on each side. On this side here. Then I'll be prying back the push tab behind the fascia so I could be able to access the hitch in place on both sides. Next, I'll put the hitch in position. Alright, now in order for her to get the hitch in place, we had to cut out the bumper fascia. I'm going to be using the air tube with a cutter. Now we're ready to put the hitch up to check the cutting. Now that our fascia cut is done, hitch is in place, our next step is to remove the fish wire and put the nuts and washers on. Now you can screw them off or just pull them straight off. They'll come right off. Once the fish wire is moved, you'll put the washer on, teeth face up towards the hitch, and then you'll use the nuts to twist it on. And you'll hand tighten these until it's completed on both sides, which would be the passenger side also. Alright, now that I got the driver's side done and the passenger side loosely tightened, I need to replace back the heat shield. Let's get into it. I'm going to reinstall back the screws that I removed. Using my 10mm, I'm going to tighten them all back down. Alright, now that the heat shield's up, we're going to use a cordless impact 5" and 11/16 to tighten up the nuts. Slide this over a little. Alright, now after using the cordless impact, I'm going to use a torque wrench and going to torque it up to 50 pounds. Standing to give me more leverage. Okay. I'm going to complete the same step on the passenger side. After torquing is done, I will need to put the exhaust hangers back up. But in order to do that, I think it's easier for me to remove this one off and put the other one up top first. Raise the hitch up. And then once it's all the way back, just pull on it a little bit. And I'll repeat the same step on the rear one. Last one. Then I can go ahead and remove my stability strap. Next, I'll rebend back the tabs I previously bended up forward in the beginning. To put the push pins back. And do each side that way. Alright, now that our hitch is complete, you have your 2" receiver. Hoops for safety chains. The crossbar is completely hidden. you're all ready to go outdoors, have fun, and be safe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.
To learn more about the products seen in this video, or to schedule an installation by a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.